So good morning everyone, I'm Jericho Mars and welcome back to my channel. By the way, I would like to apologize because I wasn't able to upload for a very long time because I was actually busy working and studying at the same time. So as of now, sobrang pagod ako because katatapos lang namin gawin yung interview namin for the Women's Month. So Women Empowerment. So yeah, pakilala ka.
Yes! Hi! I'm Nash. Follow my YouTube channel, Sundara.
So yeah, siya pala yung BS Multimedia. BS being Multimedia? Yeah.
Kinda.
Was a multimedia arts representative from Central Student Government. That's what I was saying kanina. Katatapos lang namin mag-interview. So, 3 or 4 na beses yata ako nag-akyat baba sa 3rd floor ng main building namin. Kaya sobrang pagod ako. So yeah. Kasi nakailang take na ako. Nako-conscious ako kasi ilang months akong nag-stop from vlogging. So ngayon lang ulit ako nakaharap ng camera kaya nako-conscious na ako. So yun, nag-decide ako, actually kagabi lang, nagagawin ko ng diary etong YouTube channel ko. So please do anticipate a lot of chikas. I-attach ko din sa description below yung link namin sa page na sa Central Student Government. Then please do follow and like a lot of our posts and as well yung page namin. So, yun lang. Mamaya ba't to mamaya? Pwede naman yun. Ipapakilala ko rin sila ngayon. Si Maya pakilala ko ulit. Niretake ko eh. Galit na naman siya.
Flashback.
Pakilala ko.
Hello guys, I am Maya.
Meron kasi kami
Ang laging nagagaling sa
school.
Lagi niya ako pinapagalitan.
End of flashback.
Ano?
Pakilala.
So, hello everyone. I am Hannah Shumaya Serna.
So, siya yung Vice President namin for the External Affairs ng Central Student Government. Yan, pakilala.
So, it's been a long time, no? Wala pa rin po ang jowa.
Flashback.
Benta mo ako, Jericho. Single po ako.
Oh, single yan. Kung gusto mag-avail, PM nyo lang ako.
Sa resume, then mag-update ko kayo after 2 to 3 weeks. Office hours.
End of flashback.
Pakilala ko muna.
I'm Brian.
Soon to be part of Central Student Government.
Yes. I'm a
Yes!
Well,
I agree.
yan. Mamaya interviewin din natin yung mga iba kong kasama dito. Kinakabahan ako first time ko ulit mag-video after 4 months, 4 or 5 months yata ako hindi nag-video. So yeah, bye-bye muna. Interview natin sila mamaya.